Hey guys, this is Rose here, and I'm going to show you how to level and clean a manga page. So we'll first start out by making our duplicate layer, then adjustment layers. I'm going to name this W for white. It's going to be the white check layer. B for black, and then you move this one all the way to the black side and toggle it off. This one is supposed to be all the way on the white side like that. Now you can see it's like pitch black. Well, that's because we haven't leveled it yet. So then a lot of people like to drag this over and then drag the white together until most whites are white. But I've noticed a quicker way is that if you look at about where the hill drops, like right here, see how it drops right there? Most of the time your pointer, if you line your pointer with that, that is going to be just right. And then same with for the blacks, right here. So then, now that you got that layer, you can check your black, and you can see that these are going to need some burning here, some burning up there, not too much. I like to first get rid of my text here. Get it out of the way. That's gonna need to be cloned. So then also you can see that the page is kind of crooked. So set up some guidelines. You just go to View, New Guide. You can pick horizontal or vertical. You can do horizontal one. Usually you just take the horizontal and match it to a line that is supposed to be straight. Like if you have panes, you'll have vertical lines and horizontal lines that you can try and match them to. And then turn it so it's straight as you can get it. And then also I have to crop it a little bit. There. Now it's fairly straight. Then to get rid of these, get rid of some of this dust here. There's still quite a bit of dust. I generally now use the auto dodging and auto burning, so I suggest people check that tutorial out. But you should be comfortable with manually auto dodging and manual dodging and burning before you start auto dodging and burning. The auto dodging and burning will save you a lot of times, but you should be comfortable doing this first. So then you just get your dodge tool, make sure it's on highlights. And your exposure could be anywhere from 10 to 15. If you're working with a small brush in a small area, see how, like right here where there's gutter shadows, you can have your exposure up a little higher. Just be careful around the lines, because otherwise they'll get too light, and we don't want that. And then you can see all the dust is here. So So you gotta just go and clean it up, and zoom in and get in close here. With these areas that are blurry because of the gutter shadow, I would take the clone tool and use this patch right here to fix it, so it's not so blurry. Then, after you go through and fix all these, you're gonna notice that they're gonna look kind of hard and harsh here, and so it's gonna be kind of weird. Then you'll want to take your healing brush tool and just take an area right in there and go around on the edges, and it'll soften it a bit and make it blend a little bit better so it doesn't look so harsh. Then down here, this needs to be cloned out. Just kind of clone around. I'm doing this without my tablet. I'm just on a click mouse pad on my laptop, so it's a little difficult. I'm sorry for all the clicking. There. And then you're going to want to go in and redraw these lines. Probably even want to redraw these lines here as well, because they're going to be really faded and they're going to look bad. And you get all this dust out. Like so. Once you do that, I usually move on to the blacks, but I'm not going to sit here and do the entire thing. You should get the point. So you take your burn tool, put it on shadows, and then again with the exposure, I usually have mine pretty low, but it used to be recommended between 10 to 15. I usually have mine between 5 and 9 unless there's a lot of blacks. So then you just come in here and get some of these areas that kind of pixely. You can see the white spots on them. Try and blacken them a bit, like that. And that's basically the basics of editing manga. You can see right here there's a little thing left over from the background. You just take a white brush and erase it, and then it's done. So I hope that helps somebody, and yeah.